Today, I'm going to show you a cream that was sent to me that is supposed to be miraculous. So, if you're interested, please subscribe down below and share the video with your friends. The name of this product is Alpyn Beauty. Alpyn Beauty. A-L-P-Y-N Beauty. Wildcrafted Actives Plant Genius Melt Moisturizer. This is the jar. It's a nice glass jar. I have to tell you what it says, why I ordered this. It was sent to me by Alpyn Beauty through Octoly, which is a website for creators on YouTube to apply for certain products that they like. And sometimes they get it, sometimes we get it, sometimes we don't. So I thank Alpyn Beauty for sending me this because it had amazing, amazing reviews. Breakthrough Clean Beauty. The Wildcrafted Way. Let's see what that means. We're the only luxury skincare brand to sustainably harvest and manufacture our own wildcrafted ingredients from the mountains of Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Ceramides and squalene help fortify the moisture barrier. Vitamin C brightens and protects against free radical damage. Bakuchiol, a plant-based ingredient, and that's how you spell it, B-A-K-U-C-H-I-O-L, a plant-based ingredient shown to have similar benefits to retinol, helps diminish the appearance of fine lines. Wild actives nourish with essential vitamins. Makeup glides on. The natural actives in this product is a Plant Genius Complex, which is wild arnica, wild chamomile, calendula, borage, and sage. A sophisticated cocktail of natural hydrators like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, olive fruit oil, linoleic acid, coconut, apricot kernel oil, squalene, fortify, maintain, and repair skin's all-important moisture barrier. Well, that is some lineup, right? Here's a before and after, immediately after. Now, I can't testify to this. I'm just showing you what it's showing us. Okay, look at that. Let's try it. I'll just put it here. The video about it, it said that it is full of moisture, it is full of hydration, but it will dry down matte and it will make your makeup look beautiful. So there it is, drying down matte, and I'll put it on my hands. So I used it today. It was very pleasant. It smelled very good. I think it's about $60. I'll put the price and the link below, and you can check it out if you'd like. It's Alpyn Beauty Moisturizer. It's supposed to have some amazing results. And next, I'm going to show you my favorite sunscreen. You know, I've been using this Colorscience Sun Forgettable Total Protection Face Shield 50 Broad Spectrum. This product was sent to me complimentary by Colorscience and Octoly. Love it, and it's kind of like, it gives you a little sheen. Look at that. You see? It's really, really nice. What I love, love, love about it also is that when you could put on 3-4 layers of creams and moisturizers, and you could slap this on right away. Right away. And it doesn't like move. It stays where you put it. It has an illumination under your makeup. It's really, really nice, but I can't tell you enough how great it is on top of all your moisturizers and creams and serums. You just put it on, and it goes where you put it. Like, it doesn't slip down your face. It just sticks right there. And see, it disappears. It goes into a invisible shield. It's designed with Enviroscreen technology to provide invisible 100% mineral protection from environmental aggressors such as blue light, pollution, infrared radiation. Total protection in an elegant texture that blends invisibly with a weightless finish. Non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, dermatologist approved. Shake it, shake it, shake it, and then just put it on. This is really, really terrific. I absolutely love it. I swear by this. I really swear by it. This is my old one. This is my new one. Thank you, Colorscience and Octoly. The next product I'm going to show you is by Clarins. It's called Fix Makeup. This is so cute. It hydrates. It's long-lasting. It refreshes. It soothes other light mist that sets makeup and provides long-lasting hold. Enriched with aloe vera and allantoin to instantly hydrate and soothe the skin. The invigorating fragrance with grapefruit extract and organic rose floral water creates a feeling of well-being. Ooh! Ooh, I like that. I like it. Look, it doesn't say to shake it though, right? All skin types, avoid the eyes, anti-pollution complex. Ooh, okay. Let's spray. Oh yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that smells beautiful. And that's the only way I can get my grapefruit in, because I take cholesterol, is it? Cholesterol Lipitor, and you can't have grapefruit. So I'll get my grapefruit here. Isn't that a cute bottle? Look at this bottle. I couldn't resist. I had to order this, but they did send it to me to show you. It is absolutely so beautiful, and it does smell great. It gives you that little refreshing lift. I like it. Oh yeah, I love it. Thank you, Clarins. Thank you, Octoly. It's beautiful. The next product they sent me was, okay, Dr. Babor sent me this through Octoly. An awakening eye cream. We have a serum, Clean Performance Phyto CBD serum. They all have CBD in it. And we have this Phyto CBD face cream. The face cream helps calm irritated skin and protect the skin barrier with pre-probiotic CBD, cannabis, sativa oil, squalene, and skin-identical ceramides for recharged and distressed skin with a healthy-looking glow. And this serum is 98% naturally derived ingredients. Also, instantly replenish and hydrates the skin with pre- and probiotic CBD, cannabis, sativa oil, and extract for calmer, healthy-looking, and hydrated skin. Okay, and then we have the eye cream, the Awakening Eye Cream, that does brightens, hydrates, and adds radiance to the eye area with pre- and probiotics and bark extract and vitamin B3 to help smooth fine lines and conceal dark circles. And I'm going to just show you this. It is green, and it's just smooth as silk. And I do like to put cream over my makeup for that extra protection. I don't think it has a smell. Oh, look at that. It's kind of greenish tint. Let's see. Oh, it has a refreshing smell. It just has a refreshing, nice smell. Thank you to Octoly, Colorscience, Dr. Babor, and Clarins for sending me these products. I'm happy that I can show them to my viewers and they can see what's happening in the beauty world. Also, I want to show you what I did with my eyebrows today. Today, I put on the Unbeliever Brow first, and it only clings onto my hair. This blonde color only clings onto my hair. Maybe if I got the darker color, like I would like, maybe it would stick to my skin, but it goes on my hair. It lasts for days. For 2 days, you'll have your eyebrows on. But I need to make a thicker brow, so I use this Brow Last by Physicians Formula. It's a long-wearing brow gel. It has a little brush here, and then it has the product in there with a little brush. Now, you can't get too precise, so what I do is take an eyebrow brush, dip it in there, and I put on my brows today. So we'll see how this works together. Also, on my lips, I put on Too Faced and Melted. Too Faced Melted, and the name is Worn Off. But it is the peachy frosted color. And then I put on, here, I'll show you. So pretty. It is very drying though. Then I put on my Lancome Go For It. Gorgeous. This was given to me a while back from Octoly, and I am going to buy another one. And then I put on the Melted Latex, the clear gloss that is fabulous over any of your long wearing lipsticks. And that's it. That's what I have on today. And I do love this. It just makes your lips look like you've just bitten into a wet, juicy fruit. And, woo. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Be safe, be well, and pray for the world. Mwah! I'm praying for you.